guys, welcome back. In this one, we'll find another unboxing of what we have in the same package as the one we saw before. We also have this wonderful hyper tough 20 volt max lithium ion cordless drill. And let's see what's in the box here real quick. So I'm hoping that this is going to help me with a lot of projects around the house. Usually I'm hand doing everything, such as creating holes for screws and stuff like that, and it's very tiring. So I thought, you know what, I think I'd better get one of these more power tools to help me out a little bit. So what you have here is the charging cable, just a typical charging cable, and the battery is over here, and I guess all you need to do is press this button and it should slide out. Yeah, comes with the instruction manual, and I guess you would charge it like that and just plug it in. Cool. Anyway, hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one.